Ready to make your chess game smarter? Now, we're back with Chessnut Evo, a human-like AI-powered chessboard. Chessnut Evo challenges players with a built-in human-like neural network chess engine called Maia Chess, which is designed by Microsoft. Of course, it's also equipped with Chessnut's robust piece recognition technology, with each piece having a built-in chip that enables it to be recognized, allowing you to better enhance your chess skills through Evo. And what's even more interesting is that you can import historical chess game records of famous chess players. Chessnut Evo can quickly train AIs that match the chess style and skill level of these players, making them your training partners. Besides that, Chessnut Evo has a training mode for beginners. They can continuously improve their skills by playing against AIs of different difficulty levels through various exciting challenge modes. The real-time analysis chart on the board and multicolored LEDs guide and assist them in their game training and analysis. This personalized training method will provide you with practical and effective ways to enhance your game. If you're going to compete, this feature is perfect for you. You can simulate your opponent's tactics in advance, practice a lot, and win the game. Chessnut Evo will also have an open software ecosystem. You can download your favorite apps from the built-in marketplace or develop your own applications using our open SDK. In addition, we've integrated with LC0 platform, where you can download the latest and most exciting chess engines. Chessnut Evo's built-in NPU will make it possible to play on all online platforms using an e-board through image recognition technology. This is Chessnut Evo, a revolutionary human-like AI-powered chessboard.